Are you looking for the best 4K and Resin 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best 4K and Resin 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Elegoo Resin 3D Printer. The Elegoo Mars 3 is the latest Mars series Resin 3D printer from the Elegoo brand. It is upgraded from the Mars 2 both in its features and design, making it stand out amongst the crowded space of 4K resin printers. The Mars 3 features a 37% larger build volume than the Mars 2 and has a dense 4K LCD screen that outputs a 0.035mm, 35 micrometers, XY resolution. This results in high-resolution prints with much clearer details and fewer surface artifacts. The UV light source and the FEP film are upgraded as well, to be more durable and improve performance over the earlier versions. Included is a bundled 1-year subscription to Nicubic Pro Slicer, giving you extra features on the software side of things. Overall, the Elegoo Mars 3 is a superb resin printer that delivers excellent print quality and has segment-leading features for a budget price. It is an ideal choice for beginners, hobbyists, and prosumers looking for an all-round 4K 3D printer. At number 2. Elegoo Resin 3D Printer. Improving upon the original Saturn, the Elegoo Saturn S is upgraded with better features to comply with 2023 Resin 3D printer standards. It comes with a 9.1 4K LCD screen with more pixels, 4098 x 2560, to match the increase in the build volume while still delivering high-resolution resin prints. The Saturn S features the new FEP film version 2.0, which increases the chances of print success due to its low release force. For stability, the printer has a double linear guideway to provide a stable and sturdy printing experience and reduce the risk of layer shifting. The build surface, too, has a sandblasted finish to ensure better paint adhesion and a long life. Its inbuilt, removable air purifier is an excellent addition that filters any 3D printer fumes, making it safe to print within the house and around children. The Elegoo Saturn S is a well-built 3D printer and is a perfect match for hobbyists and professionals looking for a large 4K resin printer with a decent printing speed. At number 3. Phrozen Sonic Mini LCD Resin 3D Printer. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 4K is a compact, small form-factor resin printer that aims to compete with the Elegoo Mars 3. The Sonic Mini 4K comes with a 4K mono LCD as its main highlight, along with a decent build volume. The 3840 x 2160 pixel LCD screen results in an impressive 722 ppi, giving you one of the highest XY resolutions of 35mm. This level of detail is beneficial for printing miniatures, jewelry items, and intricate resin models. Its compact design makes it easy to store the printer anywhere, and the large touchscreen is easy and intuitive to use, even for beginners. Considering the price of $350, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 4K is a capable machine that delivers high-quality 3D prints in a budget-friendly and compact package. It is a great fit for beginners and hobbyists looking for a high-resolution, compact resin 3D printer. At number 4. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X 6K Resin 3D Printer. Even a 4K screen has its limitations, and if you need a larger print volume, it often means having to sacrifice print resolution. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X 6K is designed to tackle precisely this issue while still being a relatively affordable printer. The Mono X 6K comes with a 5760 x 3600 pixels monochrome LCD screen with a 300:1 contrast ratio. You get a 34mm XY resolution, and the high contrast delivers prints with sharp and well-defined corners and edges. The LCD has a high transmittance rate of 6%, resulting in faster curing times than other resin 3D printers and an increased printing speed of up to 80mm/hour. To protect its impressive LCD, ANYCUBIC has added a layer of anti-scratch film on top of the screen. The combination of an outstanding build volume and a large and high-resolution 6K display, coupled with decent pricing, make the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X 6K an excellent choice for industries and professionals looking for a high-quality 6K resin printer under $1,000.